A World Health Organization official warned Thursday that with 3 African countries with no previous history of human monkeypox transmission reporting cases, the geographic spread of the virus on the African continent is a worrying sign.
So currently, the cumulative number of suspected monkeypox cases in Africa since the start of 2022 is 1,821, with 109 of these confirmed in 9 countries. So importantly, while we're seeing cases in Ghana, South Africa, and Morocco, according to the latest available information, it appears that the 2 cases in South Africa, for example, are not linked to any history of travel. This is a concern because South Africa is geographically quite distant from countries with a history of monkeypox transmission. The absence of confirmation of monkeypox as a cause of death, combined with a high percentage of suspected cases in some affected countries, underlined the urgent need for increased diagnostic capacity across Africa.
Multiple clusters of the monkeypox virus have been reported within the past weeks in several European countries and North America, regions where the virus is not normally found.
We are aware that tracking the spread of the virus remains critical, and WHO is deploying expert assistance to strengthen surveillance and improve the overall response. So we are keeping a very close eye on this situation at the global level in order to determine then when would be the right time to declare a public health emergency of international concern.